Hi, my name is Gurmeet. I'm the fundamental analyst for WealthTrade Malaysia. Today I'm going to focus on the gold trend based on fundamental analysis and also technical analysis. Looking forward, firstly, as we know, for the retail sales in US, it's always been forecasted slightly lower in the data. But however, it has always been higher. Looking forward is that even though this time it's being forecasted lower, but however, it will be higher. Moving forward, secondly, for our fundamental factors, we are looking at the Empire State Manufacturing Index, which is forecasted at negative 12.7. It's forecasted slightly lower than the previous data, which would actually help in order to strengthen US dollar. Thirdly, moving forward, we have seen that the unemployment claims has always turned out to be positive, which means that the unemployment claims has always been lower than whatever that is being forecasted. Fourthly, looking forward is that we are seeing that the Fed is likely to increase their interest rate up to 100 basis points. So moving forward is that we are seeing the trend is bearish, where US dollar is strengthening and gold is going down. Our fundamental range that we are looking at is between 1688 to 1700. That is the fundamental range that we are looking at. Moving forward with our technical analysis, which I will show you, we have 3 support points as well as we have 3 resistance points that we can look into. As you could see, this is using the Fibonacci pivot points. As you could see at the daily, we have 3 support points. The first support point is 1693.41, the second support point is 1690.05, and the third support point is 1684.61. And for the resistance, we have resistance 1, which is 1704.29, 1707.65 and 1713.09 for the resistance 3. So we have our support and we have our resistance point at the daily. However, if you want to confirm whether this is the support and this is the resistance point, we can use the technical indicators, or based on your own technical analysis, based on the technical indicators that you prefer, which you can see, what are they actually saying? As we can see, it's a strong sell at the daily. So what we could do is that we could go into our entry for a sell, which is we have to look for the 3 support. We can go for our entry. We can go for our entry by looking at the resistance points that we have, such as R1, R2 and R3, and later on we can place our sell. Moving forward, if let's say we would like to have more confirmation, we can always look at a much higher time frame, which is the weekly and also the monthly. As we see over here, our technical indicators is also supporting on a strong sell. If let's say you are going to trade in a much lower time frame, what you could do is that you can go to 1 minute, 5 minutes and also 15 minutes to check what are the current trends. If you think that based on your technical analysis that both are actually aligning accordingly to the technical analysis, which is it's also saying sell, so you can go into your much lower time frame and thus place your buy and sell according to your own technical analysis. Today I am going to show to you regarding on how can we basically strengthen our technical analysis as well. There is a 2 strategies tester that we can try on. First is the Bollinger Band strategy. Secondly is the RSI strategy, where this both strategy is actually providing us a much higher percent profitable. So if looking at these 2, I will show you for Bollinger Band. For Bollinger Band, as we have for the Bollinger Band strategy, as you can see at daily, we can see that the percent profitable is 62.59 for the daily. So as we can see, most of the technical indicators that is being used in investing.com do not have linear regression. So what I would do is that I'm going to use linear regression here in order for me to see what is the trend. So I have used the linear regression over here in order to see what is the trend. And as I know and as I can see over here that the trend is bearish. So thus this confirms my entry at the daily time frame. Moving forward, if let's say I want to go for a much lower time frame, so what can I do is that I can go to 1 minute and see what is my trend over here. As I could see from the linear regression as well, it's also supporting for a downtrend. Yeah, thus I can also go for a sell. Moving forward, if let's say I look into the RSI strategy, if I look at the higher time frame, which is the daily, and I look at the RSI strategy, as I can see, the percent profitable is 57.73. Thus, moving forward is that if let's say I want to place my strategy or I would like to place my trade, I would check on the both strategy tester, which is the Bollinger Band strategy as well as the RSI strategy. So as I can see, the percent profitable is much higher, which is above 50, which allows me to confirm my trend at the daily time frame. If let's say I would like to go for a much lower time frame, right, I just have to align my technical indicators with the pivot points at the daily, and I just have to base it on all my technical indicators that I have, yeah, and thus I go for my entry. For further information, kindly contact me, Gurmeet. I'm looking forward to share. I'm looking forward to learn. Take care.